This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Wow! Beautiful with a great Waterview well-care for corner unit condo. This 3-bed 2.5 BTH corner unit home boasts an open floor plan overlooking the pond west/fountains. Eat-in kitchen west/bar, 42 raised panel cherry cabinets, stainless steel appliances, granite counters, and pantry. Light cherry hardwood floors down, carpet up. Decorative fenced-in patio with private storage unit overlooks the pond and dog walk path. PBR ensuite west/French doors, upper deck overlooking the pond, and spacious closet. PBTH dual sinks and shower stall. All bedrooms have very large closets. This unit features a balcony off of the primary bedroom. Several upgraded features over standard builder offerings. Condo fees cover pool, clubhouse, exercise room, ground maintenance, and trash pickup. Parking spots are right in front of house, conveniently located within minutes to both sides of the water. Close to bases, interstates, theaters, shopping, and dining. Some virtually staged pictures. For more information, review the details below.